really showcase what Milwaukee's all about to the travelers. We were excited about that possibility of showing off a local company that produces such an excellent product line here locally.
It's very humbling to see such a wonderful legacy of family on the wall. They've worked very hard to make all of this possible. They gave a lot of their lives to making sure that this business was successful and would be here so that future generations could be a part of it as well. Perlick's been in Milwaukee for over 100 years. We were very excited to be a part of this airport renovation project. The airport is a place where many people come and go through the city, and they get their impression of what a city's all about by coming and going through our airport. And to be in a central place in the airport was a wonderful opportunity to show Milwaukee and the rest of the country and the rest of the world who Perlick is, what we're about, and why we're such a great place to work.